एक कि ये जो कन्वेंशनल राइट्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन है, इसके लिए जो फर्स्ट एवर डॉक्यूमेंट या फर्स्ट एवर कन्वेंशन किया गया था, ये यूएन ने किया था, यूनाइटेड नेशंस ने, द यूएन कन्वेंशन ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ द चाइल्ड। इसके 4 बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स थे। Convention states that individuals under 18 years of age are considered to be children. It is based on 4 basic principles. First one, the principle of right to survival, the principle of right to protection, the principle of the right to life, evolution and development. And the last one is the principle of the right to respect children views and the right to participation. First one, the right to survival, covering the right to life and the basic need for a child's survival. Adequate life condition, a house, providing adequate food, clean water and medical care. तो ये वो राइट्स हैं जो कि पेशेंट के सर्वाइवल के लिए या बच्चे के सर्वाइवल के लिए ज़रूरी हैं, जिसमें फूड, वाटर और मेडिकल केयर रिक्वायर्ड है. The second principle is the right to protection. They demand that children are protected from all forms of abuse, neglect, exploitation. They cover cases such as refugee children, tortured children, children in various institutions, child soldiers, child labor, drug abuse, sexual abuse, and they demand special protection and care of these childs. The third one, the right to development. They include everything that children needs in order to develop their full capacities and abilities. For example, the right to play and recreation, the right to educate, the right to cultural life, the right to access information, the right to freedom of thoughts and religion. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जो कि बच्चे की डेवलपमेंट के लिए ज़रूरी है. तो ये कन्वेंशन ये कहता है कि ये राइट है बच्चे की डेवलपमेंट के लिए. फोर्थ बेसिक प्रिंसिपल क्या था? द राइट टू पार्टिसिपेशन. They allow children to play an active role in their societies and their nations. They include the right to free expression of opinion, the right to comment on issues concerning them and their life, the right to participate in all kinds of cultural events, the right to organize. तो जब तक हम उनकी पार्टिसिपेशन अलाउ नहीं करेंगे तो ये बच्चे का एक कन्वेंशनल राइट है कि उसको हर तरह की पार्टिसिपेशन दी जाए. The UN Convention on the Rights of Children comprised 54 articles that could be divided into the 3 parts. Why this convention is important? It is the first legal binding document on the children's right. Failure to implement the convention result is legal consequences and having penalties. It is a universally recognized and accepted. Almost all countries in the world have ratified it and tried to conform by amending their legislations. State parties are monitored by special committees and institutions. This is all about conventional rights of the child. Thanks for your patient listening.